Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and tools. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then install Android SDK platform tools on your PC so a DB works. Once done, connect the phone with a cable and accept the RSA prompt. Make sure a DB devices shows your device. Next, back up any critical data because changing storage behavior can alter app access. You need permission and a working DB link before proceeding to the commands that change scoped storage rules. You now modify the app or global settings to relax scoped storage. First, target the specific package and grant Manage External Storage using a DB shell PM grant package name Android. Permission: Manage External Storage. This allows broad file access for that app. Once granted, test the app immediately and watch Logcat for permission or file access errors. If you need a broader change, you can adjust relevant global settings with a DB shell settings put global. But be cautious. Global flags affect system behavior across apps. You finish by applying and verifying the changes. Reboot the device with a DB reboot so system services pick up the new permissions, then confirm by inspecting dumpsies or watching Logcat for the app's storage operations. If the app still faces restricted access, revoke the permission and regrant it, or uninstall and reinstall the app to clear legacy flags. Make sure the Android 11 build and OEM overlays actually allow Manage External Storage. One key troubleshooting tip: OEM customizations can block this flow, so test on a stock or developer image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.